Now doing this with a safety razor on your head, I know when I first started doing it, I mean, it wasn't easy because you got to maintain that angle for it to cut. And it's not easy. Some people, you know, make it look easy. I kind of do too, just because I've done it enough. And it takes some practice. And I'll show you in this video some of the tricks that I do to make it easier to shave my head. So what I do here is I just try to pull it as far as I can, you know, get around there, because it's going to take a while to get, this is, if I miss, this is where it's at, right back here. So in the back, what I do is I just rotate my head around this to get a nice clean cut at the right angle. I'll show you how I do that. You're going to see it's going to pick up all that it missed, or I missed, on my first pass.